Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the clock and remove batteries now, then note the current time and alarm settings so you can restore them. Once done, inspect the cord and plug for phrase, check battery contacts for corrosion, and press each button to confirm mechanical feel. Make sure to have a small screwdriver, the correct battery type, AAA or CR2032, and a contact cleaner or isopropyl swab. This prevents unnecessary disassembly and saves time. You open the rear case carefully, keeping screws organized, and inspect the circuit board. Look for broken traces, cold solder joints, or scorched components because these often cause failures. Once identified, clean contact points with isopropyl, reflow suspect solder joints with a small iron, and swap out damaged components like resistors or capacitors when needed. After repairs, test continuity with a multimeter, reinsert fresh batteries, and plug in the clock to verify the display and basic function. You restore the time and alarm, confirming AM versus PM and adjusting snooze duration. This ensures alarms trigger when expected. If the display works but no sound occurs, isolate the speaker, check its wiring, and test the alarm driver transistor and volume components because audio faults are common. Make sure to try a backup battery test and swap the power source to rule out supply issues. If unresolved, replace the movement or consider a low-cost replacement clock. This saves time versus extensive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.